KashKick usually stops working because of server sync issues, outdated app versions, or login sessions that break after updates or network changes. By the end of this, you'll know why the app isn't loading, why tasks don't show, and the exact fixes that usually get KashKick working again without guessing. First fix is checking the server connection. If KashKick servers are down or unstable, the app may freeze on loading screens or fail to load offers and tasks. You can't fix that on your device, but you can confirm it by switching networks and trying again after a few minutes. If it suddenly starts working later, it was a server-side issue. Next step is force closing and restarting the app. Open your recent apps, swipe KashKick away completely, then reopen it fresh. This resets the active session and clears temporary loading bugs that often block the dashboard from appearing. Now, check for updates. An outdated version of KashKick can stop tasks from loading correctly because the app and server versions stop matching. Go to the App Store or Play Store, search KashKick, and install any available update before reopening it. Another common issue is corrupted cache data. On Android, go into Settings, find KashKick, and clear cache. On iPhone, the equivalent fix is deleting and reinstalling the app. This removes broken temporary files that can stop pages, offers, or balances from loading properly. Also, check your internet connection stability. Even if your phone shows Wi-Fi or data, unstable connections can stop KashKick from sensing rewards and tasks. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen the app to force a fresh connection. Now check your login session. If you were logged in on multiple devices or got signed out in the background, the app may fail to load your account data. Logging out and logging back usually resets the session and restores access to your dashboard. If the app still doesn't work, restart your phone completely. A full reboot clears memory conflicts that stop apps like KashKick from loading correctly. If nothing changes after that, the final step is reinstalling the app. Delete KashKick, restart your phone, then install it again from the official store. This resets everything to a clean version without broken files or corrupted settings. Quick summary. Most issues come from server problems, outdated versions, or broken cache data. Restarting the app fixes temporary glitches. Updates keep it compatible with the server. And reinstalling is the final reset when nothing else works. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes for reward apps and mobile earning platforms.